ओम सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा। ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। संधि topic in the Vyakarana world, Sanskrit world we are dealing now. In previous video, we saw Dirgha Sandhi rule. Dirgha Sandhi also the basic first Sandhi of Swara Sandhi. Now we are going to see the second very important rule of Sandhi, Swara Sandhi. Swara Sandhi means two vowels coming together is called Swara Sandhi. Now, what is the sutra? Adeng Gunaha is the sutra. Adeng Gunaha. Panini Maharshi in his Ashtadhyayi 112 is the number of this sutra. Sutra part we will deal later when we have basic foundation of Sanskrit. Then sutra we will enter, which is little bit difficult. Now let us see the rule of Guna Sandhi. What is Guna Sandhi? Very simple. See, if the vowel a or a is followed by e, u, ru and lru, whether it is short or long, then they are substituted with a, o, ar and al respectively. Simple. A or a is followed by e, u, ru, whether short or long. Then a plus e will become a respectively. Like that, a, o, or al, it will change into. When we move further, when we see example, the understanding will be more. So, a or a plus e or e will become a. Chalo, move. You see now, a plus e will become a. A plus e will also become a, because we said short or long. Like that, a plus e will also become a only. A plus e will also become a. But it will be substituted. Means a and e together will write down a. The substituted word I will explain when Yana Sandhi we see. Now let us see few examples. Ganesha is there in this. Ganesha and Ichchati. A plus e, a. So Ganeshechati. There is no e. Ganeshechati. Megha plus idam. Meghedam. Ravana plus iti. Ravaneti. Bharata plus itah. Bharatetah. Bharata plus itah. Bharatetah. This is a plus small e. Now let us come to long e. Here in la there is a, and this e will become a. Gopala plus Ishwarah. Gopaleshwarah. Balakah, here also a is there, e is there. Swara Sandhi will happen because rule is if a follows e or e, it will become a. Balakeshah. Dashratha plus Isha. Dasharathesha. Arana, Arana plus Ishwari. Araneshwari. Arana, a is there, and long e, Araneshwari. So simple sandhi, but when it comes to split the sandhi, little bit difficult. Chalo. Now, a and e, because a already we saw. If a follows e, it will still change into a only. Lata. In this, lata a is there, and ichchati. Lata plus ichchati, latechchati. Sita plus idam, सीतेदम. राधा प्लस इति, राधेति. Kausalya plus itah, kausalyetah. Only last a and this e will change into a, and we will substitute both the words by one word. गोपिका प्लस ईश्वरः गोपिकेश्वरः, सुधा प्लस ईशः सुधेशः, अजा प्लस ईशा अजेष्या, मोनिका प्लस ईश्वरी मोनिकेश्वरी. Easy. Now let us come to example of U. So A plus U will also become O. A plus U will become O. A plus U will become O. And A plus U also become O. How do we write O? This is very important because we are going to substitute two vowels by matra. So this is how we write O. If you don't know, in first video, I have given all the matras, which are very important. If you don't know matras, you can't solve sandhis. Okay, chalo, example. Ta plus uta. So here a is there and u is there. Sandhi will happen. Tavotah. Tavot, not tavotah. And mama plus upa, mamop. A plus u will become o. Atra plus upari, atropari. Tatra plus udayah, tatrodayah. Simple. Now a plus u will become u only. O. Okay, not u. It will become o only, not u. Okay, there is some correction. Let me do that correction. It will become o. So kutra plus urmi, because u plus u will become u. But here kutra plus urmi, kutrormi. So a plus u will become o, and a plus u will also become o only. Sarvatra plus urmi, urdhvam, sarvatrordhvam. Yes, we are here. Anyatra plus urja, anyatrorja. You see, when we see iho shabda, anyatrorja, that time we should be able to split it and understand the meaning. Iha plus u, iho, because a in her, u will become o. And how do we write o? That matra I showed you. Next. Okay, next is a plus ru, a plus u will also become o. Correction is there. In previous slide, a plus u was there. In this slide, a plus u is there. So, come on. Okay. A plus u will become o. And here, a plus long u will become not ru, will become o. So, copy paste brings such kind of problems. Okay. Yada plus utah. Yada means when. Yada plus uta, yadot. Tada plus uta, tada means then. Tadop. Kada means when. Kada plus upari, kadopari. A and small u will become o. Sada plus udayah, sadodayah. Though you know all the sandhis, still you write down these examples. Sarvada, a plus u will become o only. Sarvada plus urmihi, sarvadormihi. Sudha plus urdhvam, sudhordhvam. Lata plus urja, latorja. Sita plus u, sito. Like that. Next. You see now. A follows r, follows means after. If r is behind, before, and ru is after, then ru will change into a and ru will be substituted by ar. If a plus ru, it follows, still it will be substituted by ar. A plus ru also will become ar. Here also a small correction. A plus long ru, not correction. Let us see how do we write long ru. And here and long ru. It will become, still become ar. Okay, a plus ru, ar. A plus ru, still ar. A plus ru will become ar. A plus ru will become ar. All four possible combinations are given. Nothing else. No need to worry. Chalo, we'll see the example. Beautiful example. A plus ru. A plus ru will become ar. What is that ar? And this r rule also I will explain. A plus ru will become ar. And a plus small ru also become ar only. Ar. Okay. Next, Deva plus Rushi. Devarshihi. We are here. A plus Rushi, Devarshihi dot. Okay. Grama plus Rushabha, Gramar Shabha. Because A in Grama, Ru in Rushabha will become Gramar Shabha. Ru will change into, they both will be substituted by Ar. Okay. They will be substituted by Ar. A plus Ru will become Ar. So we are seeing Brahma plus Rutvika. So here Brahma is there, Ru is there, it will become Ar. It will become Brahmar Tvikaha. Little bit difficult Sandhi, but we'll manage it. Vasanta plus Rutuhu, Vasantartuhu. Here a Vasanta has a and Ru. Vasanta a plus Ru will be substituted by Ar. Vasanta Rutuhu. Now let us see the example of A and Ru. Raja plus Rushi. A is here, Raja and Rushi. So Raja Rushi will become Rajarshi. Maha plus Rushi. Maha plus Rushabha. Maharushabha. Maha plus Rushabha. Rushabha means a bull. So Maha plus Rushabha. Okay. R. Ru will become R. What is happening? Maha plus Rushabha. Maha Rushabha. Maharshabha. Okay, we'll move ahead. Or I will write it down. So Sandhi is very, very simple. If we see many more examples, then only it becomes clear to us. And sometimes we feel I have understood this, but no, because many of us, we don't know where to put this ha. See, if maha, a plus r becomes ar, so where to put this r, that we don't know. So that I am going to explain in this video itself. Next, Hema plus Rutvikaha, Hemartvikaha. Lata plus Rutuhu, Latartuhu. How to put this ra? Now let us come to the example. Okay, the rule. Okay, it is called rule of ra. Very, very easy. Rule of ra. When ra is followed by vowel. If ra is followed by vowel, ra will mix with vowel. This we already know. If ra follows vowel, it will mix with vowel. For example, ra, you can see here ra is there and a is the vowel, it became ra. But if ra follows consonant, second rule, if ra follows consonant, ra will go up. So if here ra is following pa, so it went up. Ra is following ba, it went up. Ra is following ma, it went up. Ma. Then when does the ra come down? So if consonant is behind and vowel is after, then ra will go down. You see now, ra is in between, consonant behind, vowel in front. For example, ka is the consonant, ra is in between and it is following vowel. So it will change into ka plus ra plus a kr. Ka plus ra plus a kr. It will come down. So how? This is how the rule is. If consonant is behind, in between ra is there, if it follows a, then any vowel, then ra will come down. So very simple. Ra will go up when it follows consonant. Ra will mix when it follows vowel. But if ra is in between, consonant behind, vowel following, then it will go down. So few examples of sandhi joining and disjoining, both are also given. Gaja, I will read the examples. You have to write the answers in chat box. So you so that I will understand you have understood Sandhi properly. Gaja plus Ishwara. Gaja means elephant. Ishwaraha, Gajeshwaraha. One I will tell. Bhajana plus Udayah. Surya plus Upari. I will just mark it. Surya plus Upari. Rama plus Rushihi. Lata plus Rutavaha. Radha plus Utsavaha. Sapta plus Rugveda. These are sandhis, means you have to join them. But here already sandhis are given. You have to do disjoining. You have to open up. Ganga plus Udakam. So I will say Ganga. I said already. Gangodakam will become Ganga plus Udakam. Seti will become Sa plus Iti or Sa plus Iti also fine. Like that, all other sandhis you solve. Next sandhi we will see in next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.